Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let me tell you about this amazing microplane. Let me show you exactly why I love it so much. So guys, trust me when I tell you when this zester is unlike anything you've ever used. The handle is really ergonomically designed and holds really nicely in your hand. It comes with a protective shield on it, not only to keep the blades nice and sharp, but also to protect you while it is in the drawer as well. This is a super fine zester and I love to use it for baking. Right here I am using a lemon to create a lemon buttercream, so I really need the zest to be super fine and not overpowering. And the last thing you want to do is when someone bites into your buttercream, have them have a big chunk of lemon. It ruins the experience. You can see here it is already super fine. It comes off the blade really easily from the back, so you don't really waste anything at all, which I absolutely love. Check out that fine zest. It is amazing. Microplane have really gone above and beyond with a massive variety of colors for this utensil, and I love it because the orange, my favorite, is really easy to find in the drawer. This microplane is not only used for zesting in my house, I do use it for other things like this whole nutmeg as well. You can see how powdery it gets it. It is absolutely fantastic. It really unleashes the flavor having such a fine powder. This is by far the greatest grater/zester I've ever had, and I know you will love it too. It is just high quality, it lasts a really long time, but that's just my point of view.